Guys, hope you all have a fantastic day. Well, today our daily niva Štefica is back on the lift, and I want to show you we got a broken exhaust hanger, so I just want to show you that you need to fix this as soon as possible, and I'm gonna show you why right now. Okay, if you can see here, we have our exhaust hanging, and the problem is that's the only hanger for the exhaust all the way until here. So yeah, it's really important to weld that back on, because then the whole exhaust is holding on the bolts on the engine block, and that's putting a lot more stress than it need to, because we all know we like to take our cars off-roading and it's not the smoothest ride. So yeah, if you hear some noise, clunking, rubbing, no rubbing, like little hammer underneath your car, it's probably your exhaust, and it's gonna sound, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's gonna sound something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to fix it, and that's pretty much it. Let's get to it. Well, our Bobby is saying hello, and we need to remove this bolt and put new metal pieces in and all welded good. So let's remove this bolt. Okay, so just use it 2 pieces of scrapped metal. It's 2 millimeters, so it's pretty thick, and now we are ready to install it. And I'm gonna use the tools that I have, and you don't really need all this tool, you just need a welder, but I bought it, so I'm gonna use it. It's gonna make my life a lot easier, and I can make better videos for you. But you absolutely don't need it. You just need a welder, and you need to lift your car a little bit. But it's nice to have tools. I remember the first video I was on the floor with a little jack, so it's good to have this now. Okay, now we just need to jack up the exhaust and then put these metal pieces in, then weld everything, and that's pretty much it. Let's do it. Okay, everything is just tack welded, but this is what's going to look like. I believe you can do a hoop around it, just one continuous look, but I like this better because I can weld this and weld it here, and then if this breaks, I still have the other one, or the opposite. So this is how I like to do, and I do it on a couple of cars, so this is my method. And I just need to weld everything, so I'm not going to show you that, I'm just going to show you the end result, because it's just welding now and it's like 2 minutes, so I'm just going to show you the end result. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay guys, let me show you the end result. Well, I use a paint that can go on the exhaust, so don't you worry guys, this is not going to burn off. I just want to protect it so it doesn't rust. But yeah, this is it. It's welded. It's not the prettiest welds, but it for what it is, it's doing its purpose. And what is the most important thing, when you try to wiggle the exhaust, you can't. There is no more any noises, and that's what is the most important. And the noise you're going to hear is probably here. Look at this clearance on the sway bar. So it's going to touch there. And just when you're lifting the exhaust, try to put it so that you are going in the good direction and not to lift it too much. So everything here is good, everything has room, and everything can wiggle, just not too much. And guys, the most important thing I forgot to tell you, I'm sorry, is to remove the negative battery before welding. I did remove it, I just forgot to tell you. So yeah, just please, every time you work on the car, doesn't matter if it's a Lada or something else, just remove the negative car battery. Just in case. Just in case. I never did any electronics that's burned off because of the welding, but it's better to be safe than sorry. So guys, this is pretty much it. I did a little bit of more work on my car, and the fuel pump is still working good. So I believe I did I did what I supposed to, and now the car is working. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep it driving. I was driving on the road as always. This is just from the roads. Okay guys, so please check your exhaust because it's important. It looks silly, but it's really important. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video.